Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to enable the paper source auto selection for specific functions so that you don't have to manually select the source each time you're using the Canon machine. Press Settings and Registration, then Function Settings, Common, Paper Feed Settings, Paper Source Auto Selection. Here you can select a specific function so that it is assigned only to the paper source that you want. In this example, you can select the paper sources to be used each time you photocopy. Continue by assigning sources for the rest of the functions. You can always contact Canon support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.